Good morning, new 1%. It's Satoshi Boomin coming at you with another video, guys. Please stimulate that subscribe button for me. I'm trying to get to 15,000 subscribers. You guys know the deal. Got my hot tea and honey locked and loaded, ready to go. Let's get into the VeChain updates, guys. Take a look at the price here. We're down about 1.8% on the day. Not really too much going on in the ecosystem, but that's okay. We're still here. Looks like still holding strong here at the 20-cent mark. Looks like we tried to dump down a little bit, but bounced right off. So 20 cents seems to be a great support level for VeChain, which is fine for me. Higher highs, lower lows is what we're trying to target, guys. And if we can see here, dump back down, came straight back up. Looks like this 20-cent mark is holding definitely strong, which bodes well. All we need now is a couple of cool announcements, a couple of cool NFTs, and I think we'll be right back on the upward trend. When in doubt, zoom out. Things are looking fine. All right, let's take a look at the mainnet stats here, guys. Today, about 31K burned. Yesterday, about 44K burned. Clauses are a little bit low today and a little bit low yesterday, so the mainnet's doing pretty well. Again, we're waiting for protocol updates. We're waiting for decentralized applications. If you guys wanted to take a look at the airdrop that VMworld is doing, VeChain's NFT platform, check out my last VeChain video. We did a whole expose on that, how you can claim your VEED tokens. So yeah, pretty good, guys. Let's go on with the first story of the day. So this is pretty awesome. A couple days ago, we broke that Wootrade was helping Cardano, and now we have news that Wootrade is integrating into VeChain. Wootrade to provide liquidity support for VeChain's NFT ecosystem. VeChain is building a enterprise NFT and DeFi ecosystem. Wootrade will be ready to support it with Wootrade's powerful mix of centralized and decentralized liquidity solutions. So Wootrade is a solution that helps projects gain liquidity, especially when it comes to DeFi. So we all know about the NFT ecosystem that VeChain is creating, but this is pretty awesome. Wootrade is a leading liquidity provider in the digital asset space, and such is uniquely positioned to support VeChain in this initiative. Wootrade differentiating factors are its ability to provide assets at the lowest prices, giving exchanges, marketplaces, wallets, bridges, and other decentralized applications the best price execution on trading related activities. Wootrade then links on-chain capital with this off-chain liquidity network via pricing delivered from institutional market-making strategies directly to the blockchain. So Wootrade will be bridging VET and VeChain native assets across chain, offering pricing and liquidity for decentralized apps, and providing liquidity support on VeChain's base stablecoins. I can't wait for VeChain to get some stablecoins going, guys. This will definitely give us liquidity because we will be able to borrow against our VeChain, which is something you might want to do if you are, if you don't want to pay capital gains tax, guys. If you've been trading and you haven't done your taxes yet, holy shit. Like, I don't think I want to trade anymore. The government literally, the government finessed me, bro. When I clicked that send button, I died a little bit inside, and I know it's just the beginning, but that's okay. Don't trade, guys, just hodl. And then finally, assisting in driving adoption to the VeChain ecosystem via partners and community activities. So it's pretty awesome. Quickly, we are eager to support VeChain as one of the leading enterprise blockchain service providers in shaping a robust asset ecosystem on the VeChain Thor blockchain. We believe we have a lot of value to bring the VeChain ecosystem and are looking forward to a challenge of being an easy builder. So it's pretty awesome. Welcome to Wootrade, guys. This is pretty awesome. I can't wait to see what impact they have on VeChain Thor. And we can't wait to see this NFT ecosystem. I think that's going to be big, and I think that's going to really take VeChain over the edge. But all we got to do now is wait, let the scientists do the hard work, and I'll be here to cover it. Moving on. All right, guys, so this is an amazing article here by the Currency Analytics. We're not going to go over the whole thing. It's just basically talking about VeChain and what it has to offer. Goes over the 2-token model here, talks about the gas the gas fee reduction, but this is a great article here, well written, and I would recommend everybody read it. Developers now will be able to build projects for NFT marketplaces, NFT games applications, NFT level enterprise solutions, DeFi applications, tokens, bridges, cross-trade tools, research projects, and several other projects. It is noteworthy that the interest in NFTs is skyrocketing. All right, and I don't even think it's at the top, guys. I mean, the things that we have yet to create with NFTs and DeFi still in its infancy, guys. You have to realize that, like, DeFi basically came out when Ethereum came out like 5 years ago. So we're still very, very early. Therefore, it's not surprising to see VeChain doing something about hoisting their presence in the NFT era. The VeChain Foundation has committed nearly $1 million to the VeChain NFT ecosystem to ensure transparency and tracking. In the grant program, a complete application process has been developed, ranging from the eHealth Cert application to mitigate 19 in Cyprus, keeping up with the NFT frenzy, and improving several enterprise-level partnerships. The VeChain blockchain is very active in terms of getting in touch with the requirements of the mainstream. Guys, the easiest way to get rich is to pick coins, pick projects that you believe in, pick projects that have good roadmaps, good CEOs, good teams. Buy it, put it on the hardware wallet, and forget you even have it. That's the best way, the easiest way to get rich, because at the end of the day, guys, we are still very early. Adoption is not hit yet. We're still on the ground floor. And at this point, guys, I think it's kind of like we have a unfair advantage over future generations because people don't know, guys. People still don't know. The majority of people out there aren't talking about investing. The majority of people out there aren't worried about it. They're worried about how they're going to get their next big screen TV. How are they going to get a loan to go on their next vacation? How are they going to, buy their buy their shoes, buy their, expensive cars that they can't afford? And you guys are actually here. You guys are learning. And that makes you one step above the fray. As a matter of fact, I guarantee you this. Let's take a look at this real quick. So we're on YouTube here, guys. Let's take a look at the trending. Where's trending? Let's take a look at Explore. Just do a little experiment here. Now let's go to trending. Let's see what the masses are watching. I survived on 1 cent for a week. Garbage. Venom trailer. 13 million views. But you type in Warren Buffett, what does he have? Less than a couple of thousand views on an interview like that? The Green Knight, 1 million views. All garbage. Look at this stuff. Baking soda and ketchup explosion. This is what people are watching. Okay? They're not watching how to invest in digital assets. They're not watching, things that will help them in the future. They're watching bullshit and garbage. So let's take a look at this. So we see 2.9 million views on a Billie Eilish video, jumping superhero cars in GTA. It's just all garbage to keep you dumb, to keep you complacent, and to keep you, unaware. So what we see here, you can see a little bit of my search history there. Russell Westbrook, Munchies, Deftones. I love the Deftones, by the way. Let's take a look at this. Let's type in Warren Buffett. Does he have 2 million views? Absolutely not. We type in Warren Buffett, investing advice, 4.4K views. Look at this stuff, guys. So we can see here that the masses... We're still so early, guys. Like, people still don't know. And, what a time to be alive. I feel for future generations out there. because, you know, we are going to be the new 1%. I truly believe that. I say that every time. And this is the reason why, because we're seeking knowledge. We're seeking understanding in a certain way. And that's what's going to take us to the promised land, guys. So I just wanted to go off of that little tangent there. I hope you guys understand what I'm talking about. All right, moving on. And finally, guys, not too much news of the ecosystem. VeChain could be partnering with the Alliance to End Plastic Waste. Thank you to Iserite. Please give this gentleman a follow. Go ahead and give him a donation if you can. The donation address is in the description like always. The Alliance to End Plastic Waste is an international nonprofit working to end plastic environmental waste. In a recent video, VeChain appeared to present at the Shanghai Innovation Platform hosted by Plug and Play. And as we can see here, the Plug and Play Tech Center. And you know what? This is definitely in line with what they plan to do. Don't forget, guys, we've already have 2 initiatives. Well, more than 2 initiatives. We have about 3 or 4 initiatives, but 2 initiatives that I can think of on top of our head. The DMV Ocean, Pacific Ocean cleanup, tracked and traced by the VeChain Thor blockchain. Remember, guys, they take all the plastics out of the Pacific Ocean and transform them into shades that are tracked and traced on the VeChain Thor blockchain. And then the Reseed project by DMV as well, where they, again, go to oceans, take out the plastic, and then refit them into clothing and clothing lines and other things like that. All that be tracked and traced on the VeChain Thor blockchain. In plastic waste innovation platform, ideas came from anywhere in the world. That's why we partner with Plug and Play Tech Center in 2019 to develop the End Plastic Waste Innovation Program to foster startups from across the plastic value chain and transform waste management around the world. If VeChain is speaking at this conference, hopefully we could get some confirmation here, and we can see here VeChain Technology, Plug and Play, AEPW, Shanghai Innovation Platform. Hopefully we get some confirmation that DNV or, you know, BYD or somebody else is sponsoring this, and it will be tracked on the VeChain Thor blockchain. So thank you to Iserite for finding this gem. And again, guys, this is what's going to take us to the next level. This is what's going to take us to where we need to be, okay? All right, guys, very short video today. I apologize, but hey, that's the way the cookie crumbles. I'm going to be here if there's a lot of news, and I'm going to be here if there's a little bit of news. Go ahead and click that subscribe button for me, guys. Hit that like button for me. I love y'all. I really appreciate y'all coming here each and every day, supporting me. Thank you to the wonderful Patreon subscribers, AJ, Bergella, Mac Harris, Sergio, Lassie Nielsen, The Fernline, Jeffrey, Ethan, AmericanHomeRemedies.com, Maryland for Crypto, Bruce Wayne, Feruz Den, Brady Adams, Joel Menace, Kyle Blatcher, Crypto, SVT.si, Eric Parra, Ed the Voice for the People, HBDSouthBay.com, Daniel A, Crypto Chemtrails, Climax CH, Angela Schroyer, Craig Wadding, C. Vale, Maker, Dow Crumbs, Bearder, Leon Jackson, and Jacob Connor. Thank you guys so much. I really appreciate you. Let's take a look at the Bitcoin block halving here. We've got 10,000. Wow, we have 1,088 days to the next Bitcoin block halving. And looking at the markets as a whole, let's go ahead and give this a refresh. Looks like there is a sea of green. Congratulations to Ethereum continuing to pump, continuing to go up. This is awesome. Guys, it has reached $500 billion in market cap. You know what that tells me, guys? It tells me that the sky is the limit. It tells me that we are so close. You know, I could be wrong. I could be completely wrong. I could be, you know, way off base. All this fake internet money could go to zero tomorrow. But for right now, I truly believe that we are close. We're close to where we want to be. I told you guys that crypto is going to be a multi-trillion-dollar asset class. I told you that. And it's coming to fruition. So it's not because I'm Nostradamus or, you know, I have insider information. It's just about picking trends and following where the train is moving. And the train is moving towards a new digital world, guys. Physical and digital worlds are getting blended together each day. And as we can see here, some major pumps. FEG token, I have no idea what the heck that is up almost 400% on today and up almost 2,000% the last 7 days. And then we have Synthetics Network token up almost 30%. So it's a really good day for cryptos. Hopefully VeChain can get his head out of his ass. But you guys, you have to remember, we pumped so far. Like, we pumped so hard a couple weeks ago that, you know, a cooling off period happens, guys. It happens. Remember when Ethereum was moving sideways for like a month and people were like, oh, Ethereum's dead, blah, blah, blah. And then, like, obviously it's not dead. Pretty much what's going on now, guys. So I'm going to quit blabbering. I hope you enjoyed the video. Sorry it wasn't too long and there wasn't 100x surprise face thumbnail news. Like, it is what it is, guys. I love y'all so much. Hit that subscribe button for me. I will talk to you soon with the Cardano updates. Just a reminder, guys, this weekend there will probably only be one video per day. I'm going to be out visiting my folks. So I hope that you guys understand that. So Friday there will be one video, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. So hope you guys enjoy. Please like those videos for me. Keep the algorithm happy. Enter 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 comments on those videos because, you know, momentum is going to be slowing down a little bit. But Tuesday I'll be back at it with the Cardano and VeChain updates just like normal. And yeah, guys, I can't wait to get back and be refreshed and be energized because, you know, I'm thinking about, you know, getting rid of my day job and focusing on this in the near future. Thinking about doing some live streams, maybe 3 times a week, maybe 2 times a week. Comment down below what you think would be acceptable. I'm definitely going to be taking suggestions on what you guys want me to do. No face reveals. I'm sorry. I love you guys, but, you know, I got to protect myself out here. All right, guys, don't let your memes be dreams. I love each and every one of you, and I will talk to you tomorrow. I'll talk to you soon with the Cardano updates. Have a good day.